We're going to be looking at using velocity time graphs to work out acceleration, and for that we're going to use our calculation over here, which is acceleration in meters per second squared is equal to a change in velocity in meters per second divided by the time taken in seconds. We're going to have a little look at this graph that I've got here, and as you can see this is a velocity time graph, and it's got velocity just here on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. We can see the pattern just here shows a change in velocity over a period of time. So we're going to calculate A, so this initial part of the graph which shows that there was an acceleration occurring. So the first thing that we need to do is look at the change in velocity, and we can see here a change occurred just here before it gets into point B. So at this point here we can see that our velocity before when that change occurred was around about 12 meters per second, and our initial velocity was 0 meters per second. So we can see that 12 meters per second minus 0 meters per second is equal to 12 meters per second. We're then going to go ahead and divide that by the time taken for that to occur. Now as you can see just here, it took roughly 3 seconds for that change to occur, so I'm going to divide my answer by 3 seconds, and the answer to that would be 4 meters per second, and it's squared because acceleration is measured in meters per second squared. So that would be my answer for the first part of this graph which shows acceleration.